we're about to do this shit right now. Like, yo, hold on, baby girl. Like, yo, girl. So yeah, so how's your day so far? My day's good, you know? Like, hold on. Come on, B. What happened?
Who's that?
Come on.
Who's that calling you? Why you didn't answer?
It's just a friend.
You always cheat.
I'm with you.
I don't even want to hear it.
Like, come on. I'm with you. Come on, please. Don't go. Come on.
Get off of me.
Babe, I'm not gonna do this no more.
What do you mean? You always say you're gonna do it. You're not gonna do it. You
Babe,
always do it.
Babe, that's just my friend.
Just your friend. What friend?
Babe, you know I have a lot of friends, right?
Which one?
Damn,
so
babe.
why you didn't answer?
Because I'm with you.
So what? You still couldn't answer?
Because, and I said I'm with you. I don't want nobody to interrupt us conversation.
So let me see.
Babe, chill, babe.
Let me see your phone.
Babe, just come on.
Let me see your
Babe,
phone.
just come on, babe.
Let me see your phone.
Babe, just chill.
I don't care.
Babe, I'm not gonna cheat no more, babe.
You're not cheating. Why you didn't answer your phone?
Babe, forgive me, please,
Why?
babe. Forgive me. I'm not gonna cheat no more. I just want a family with you. With
so
you.
Why you didn't answer the phone? Why you couldn't just say, "Oh, I'm with my girl"?
Babe, listen. You see, when I'm with you, I don't want nobody to come with us. You know what I'm saying? Just me and you. Nobody. Just me and you, babe. I promise you. No. I know, babe. It's just me and you. Know, you know how it goes. Just family. You know what I'm saying? A couple months from now, we can get married. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to do nothing with nobody else. You know how it goes, right? Promise, I'm not gonna cheat no more.
You sure?
I swear, God. I promise. I promise. I think you promise. I got you. Oh, I got you. Trust me, I got you. All right? I got you.
2 hours later.
Yo, man, what the fuck is no Uber, bro? I've been waiting that long.
Beautiful, why you look so upset?
What?
Why you look so upset? What happened?
I'm waiting on my Uber.
Uber? Like, damn.
I paid for shit out here and can't even get proper service.
Like, you know that's what Uber is, you know? Like, man, so what do you want to do down here, though? You single or something?
Yeah, I'm single.
Damn, girl. You're looking fine.
Thank you.
Like, shit. What's your name?
Wait.
Yeah, you can call me Junior.
Junior?
Yeah, like, looking sweet. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, how long you here waiting on the Uber, though?
For like 35 minutes. It's like the 8 car don't seem bad. And it's a quiet ass street, so I'm not even understanding.
That's how it is, though. Girl? Yeah.
Oh, look.
Your Uber coming?
Uber.
Wow.
Right here.
I wish I could come with you, though.
You coming with me?
You want me to come with you?
I guess I'm going to my friend's house, so.
Sure, I will roll with you, like, yeah. Sure. Good afternoon.
No.
Hey.
Alright.
Like, so, what's going on? Oh, damn, I can't believe you're out here, though, by yourself, yo. Like,
So you single?
yeah, I'm single. Like, you gotta let me single, yo.
I haven't seen you.
Yo, that girl's a bitch, yo. She's a bitch, like, yo. She always in a cuss and fight over every damn thing. Listen what happened the other day. Alright, yeah, she in the house, right?
What happened?
That bitch phone ring and ooh, I like that. Keep on saying- You know, her phone ring and I'm like, who's that? You know what I'm saying? She like, that's nobody. You know what I'm saying? I'm like, yo, you cheating on me? She like, nah, I'm not cheating. I'm like, yo, you're lying. You know what I'm saying? It's just crazy. I don't like this bitch no more, man. How about it like, yo, like, I need a girl like you in my life. You know what I'm saying? Like, if I have a girl like you, like, you trying to do it right here? In the Uber? Shit! Thought that shit long time, girl. Shit. You should have said that long time ago, baby girl. Like, yo, we're about to do this shit right now. Like, yo, hold on, baby girl. Like, yo, girl, this bitch. Yo, let me out. This bitch had my thing. Yo, let me out. Yo, let me out of the car. Yo, let me out. Yo, let me out the car.
So you say you never would cheat on me?
What? Wait till. Babe! Don't let that baby! Get up! Alright, thank you for watching another Yaadvybz video. Make sure you like, comment, and share. And follow her on Instagram at
Diva Loca, also at Luscious Glow Cosmetics. If you want a little holographic lip gloss, if you want any hot eyelashes, I do it all.
And follow her on Instagram at
It's a difference. That's it.
What?
It's a difference.